These cowbirds are out here. Phil, come see them. Hey, Phil. These cowbirds are out here eating.
Now the gray one, oh, which one? The one up top is in the, oh, it's got a red head on it. I couldn't say I've ever seen those before.
No, I'd
The
never
middle
seen
one,
him
the
until
black
this
one's a
week.
starling, is it not?
No, it's way too small for a starling.
Did you see the posture you just gave?
Yep.
Feathers up, on guard.
Yeah, it's two males. The colorful ones are males, and the little gray one's the female. And the two of them keep chasing this little female around. All week she's been getting chased around.
Maybe you need to make 2 piles. So the bully can't guard everything. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Just a thought.